Need to rename files quickly without opening File Explorer. Command Prompt has a simple command that lets you rename individual files, multiple files, and even change file extensions. In this guide, I'll show you the easiest ways to rename files using CMD, including wildcards and file names with spaces. Let's get started. First, open Command Prompt and navigate to the folder containing your files. You can use the cd command to change locations, then type dir to display the files. For example, if you see a file named oldreport.txt, you can rename it directly from this location. The basic rename command is ren, which is short for rename. Type ren followed by the current file name and the new name. For example, ren oldreport.txt finalreport.txt. Press enter, then use dir to confirm the new name. The file itself stays in the same folder. If your file name contains spaces, put the name inside quotation marks. For example, ren, quotation mark, oldreport.txt, quotation mark, finalreport.txt, quotation mark. This tells CMD to treat the complete phrase as one file name. Yeah, quotation marks are especially important when working with descriptive file names. You can rename multiple files by using wildcards. For example, renstar.txt*.bak changes the extension of every txt file in the current directory to bak. Be careful with wildcard commands because they can affect many files at once. Always check the directory first. CMD can also rename groups of files based on a pattern. For example, renstar.jpg vacation-star.jpg changes, matching JPG file names by adding the vacation dash pattern. Wildcard behavior can be a little tricky, so test commands on sample files first when you're working with important data. Remember that renaming a file extension doesn't convert the file. For example, changing photo.jpg to photo.png only changes its name. It doesn't turn the JPEG image into a real PNG file. If you need to convert a file format, use an appropriate conversion tool instead, and that's how to rename files using CMD. Use ren for individual files, quotation marks for names with spaces, and wildcards when working with groups. Always check your files before using a pattern that could affect multiple items. So once you understand these basics, batch renaming becomes much easier.